And welcome back to Primetime Sports Wednesday. Now, Jamaica's under-14 Reggae Girlz picked up their second win of the Caribbean Football Union Challenge Series after defeating the Dominican Republic 4-2 at the Captain Horace Burrell Center of Excellence at the UE campus on Wednesday. Zoe Thomas opened the scoring for Jamaica in the second minute, and Tiny Seaton doubled that advantage in minute 11. But the Dom rep cut the deficit in half just 60 seconds later through Mia Boytel. And in minute 16, the visitors were level, but Captain Danique Wilson ensured the Jamaicans were back in front, scoring from the penalty spot in minute 33. And the Jamaicans restored their two-goal advantage on the brink of half-time when Natoya Atkinson rounded the keeper to make it 4-2. And curtain raiser Bermuda.
We were right, but I must commend the girls. You know, on Monday we didn't play to the best of our ability, and even though we still have a long way to go, today the girls came up and they stepped it up a bit. So as we say, this is development, so it's gradual progression. So I must commend the girls for the spirit that they showed and the championship attitude.
In the curtain raiser, Bermuda thumped Martinique 4-0. The young Reggae Girlz will close out the group on Friday against Bermuda. This tournament serves as preparation for next year's CONCACAF Girls Under-15 Championship in Florida.